Hello everyone, it's Nat. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy and excited to be with you today because I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So before I start and open this little package, I wanted to show you something. As you can see, I have a cloth, a very beautiful one. I don't know if you can see it well, I hope so. Look at that. Very, very pretty. We're gonna put Audie over here. That's Audie. He's happy to do the video with me today. So this is a very, very pretty cloth. I also have this bag that matches with the cloth. Look at this. These details, so pretty. Little cats. So this is the Wychwood Oracle. This is one of my favorite Oracle decks. I'm not so much into predictive decks or cartomancy decks. I'm more into guidance, but I have to say that this one got me. It's a vintage field deck. The cards are black and white. I love the backings. So you have two different backings. These are the backings for the cards, and you also have guidebooks, not guidebooks, but you have explanations in the cards like that, and this is the back. So this is just amazing. I love it. It's so accurate, so amazing. So I'm gonna show you a few cards of this one. So if you don't know this deck, I'm gonna put the link of the Etsy shop. It's an Etsy shop ruled by May and Maud, two ladies, and they make amazing things, different products, items. Very, very beautiful. I love it. I love it very much. Yeah, very much. I have no words. It has a very, very special energy, and I just love it. First, when I got this deck, I thought that I will use it only for Halloween, you know, or for the month of October, November, but I use it all the time. So yeah, that's a lovely deck. Very, very nice. So this is the first one, the first Oracle deck they made. And now we're gonna do the unboxing for number 2. So, okay, you know what? I'm gonna put this on the side. So we're gonna open it. Nice package. I love the envelope. I mean, it's more like a box. It's a box. And I really love it. It's pretty nice. Okay, I think I can go this way. So as I'm recording this video with my phone, so I hope it's gonna be okay with you. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. Easier. So I know they always do nice packaging. Ooh, stars. Ooh, stars. I like that. I'm gonna keep them. I use them for my reading. I put them on my cloth, you know. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, are you ready, guys? Let's go. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh my god, I think that's a gift for me. Thank you. That is so sweet. May. Okay, so this is a nice note, a nice little sticker. Not a sticker, but it's very beautiful. I like that. We have Alice in Wonderland, The Little Mermaid, and maybe Rapunzel, maybe. Thank you so much for your order, Natalie. We hope you love the new deck. Merci. Oh, I love that. May, Wychwood Oracle. Very beautiful. Oh my god, there is so many things in... Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is so beautiful. With compliments from Wychwood Oracle. Oh my god. That is so cool. Thank you. Very beautiful. So I'm gonna open this first, as I have a gift. Thank you. So nice. I'm so happy. Okay. So, oh, I like the sticker. I like everything. So this is a nice envelope with astounding oracle stones. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I don't want to ruin everything because it's too nice. You know what? I really hope you guys can see what I'm doing, because as I'm watching what I'm doing, I don't watch my screen. So, oh, so beautiful. Wow. Oh, that's a stone. Very nice. I love it. Let me see. I'm gonna use that for my readings. Oh, cool. So you have different ones. Yeah. Oh, cool. So this is maybe, maybe not, I guess. This is yes and this is no. Awesome. Thank you. Oh my god. I like that. Okay. Perfect. Very good. Okay, now let's see the oracle. I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at that. So nice packaging. We can feel so many good energies, you know, when I unwrap everything I unwrap, going from them, coming from them, it's always so beautiful and so, I don't know, full of good energies. So, oh wow, so we have a pouch, a velvet pouch, black, very nice, very good quality. And the deck, look at that backing. Today I'm totally crazy. I haven't slept very well for a couple of days now. I don't know why, maybe it's the new moon coming, and maybe spring, whatever. So yeah, I have troubles finding my sleep, you know. I don't sleep very well, so I'm a bit tired, my voice is tired, but I have a little free time and I really wanted to share that with you. So we have the same cardstock quality and it's amazing. It's amazing. Look at that. I'm so happy. Okay, so this one is the Wychwood Oracle, the Unnamed deck. You got 31 reversible cards for fortune telling, oracle readings and more, plus guide cards. So it's very cool. So I don't know the deck at all, so we're gonna just have a look maybe at the guide first. Let me see. So yeah, you have a presentation card here. So you have this one, and then you have this one with a reading. You have an example of reading, past, present, future. Awesome. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards with the meanings of the cards. So you have the number, you have the name, and you have the explanation. So I'm gonna put them in the right order. Okay. And I think you can read on the sides. So this is very interesting, you know. It's kind of like a Unnamed deck. It depends on where the card is in the reading. You can interpret the card with different options. So this is pretty interesting, I have to say. And now we're gonna see the cards. Oh my god. This is just so amazing. I love it. Odie is so happy. I know he is. So this is the tree. So see, you have stability on the right and you have isolation on the left. So this is very interesting. The tree. So it has a vintage look as well. I love it. The cart in action, industry, the scales. Pretty. I love it. I love it. The book. So if you guys don't want to see all the cards, don't watch this video till the end, because I think I'm gonna show all the cards for people who want to see them. The mask. I love this one. This is tricky. The ring. The tomb. Restriction. Remembrance. Oh, nice. The bouquet. Very beautiful. The arrow. I really love them so far. The anchor. Ooh, the lady. Look at her. Very beautiful. Oh, I like that. The lady and the gentleman. I love it. The harp. The comb. Vanity and confidence. Nice. The crown. The quill. I love the colors. You know, they're kind of sepia tones. I like that very much. The looking glass. So it's very different from the first one, but I think I'm gonna love this one as much as the first one. The hourglass. Ooh, I like this one. Oh my god. The heart. I know I'm totally nuts today, guys. I'm sorry. But you know what? I let it go. Doing this video is the best thing for me today. The best moment of the day, because I'm going in so much, like, I don't know how to say that. Like boring stuff, you know? Filling out papers and stuff like that, and I'm so tired. So this is my happy time. The scissors. Nice. Oh, the clover. See, it has some Unnamed feel sometimes, and I love that. The dagger. It's different. It's not a Unnamed deck. It's different, but some cards reminds me of it, and I love it. The matches. The cup. Ooh, I like this one with the hand holding the glass of wine, I guess. Nice. The horseshoe. I love the little skull heads. The bell. Nice. The bottle. Ooh, I like that. Looks like poison or something. The key. And the candle. And you know what? This is a cool deck, guys. I love it so much. So this shop is located in England, in the UK. And I'm gonna put all the details for you to see if you want to order it. I'm gonna put all the links down below, and you can follow them on Instagram, and I'm gonna put everything down there. Okay, that was so amazing to share this deck with you. It's a beautiful one. I really love it. I love my stones. I love my fish. My oddity. It's so funny. I love it very much. And yeah, it's a cool deck and very nice packaging with stars and stuff, a little word, very nice. So thank you May and Maud, thank you so much for this beautiful package. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so happy to share time with you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in another one very soon. You guys take care, have a nice weekend. Bye bye.